Hello, Vibely users, ready to start calling your friends or making new connections? Let's get you started in just few taps. First, open the Vibely app. Now search for the person you want to call or select them from your friends list. Make sure you recharge your Vibely first. It's a must in Vibely. Here, at the right corner of their profile, you can see the call icon. Tap on it, and you have just started a call on Vibely. Can't start a call? Check your internet connection. Make sure the person accepts call or update your app. Who's the first person you will call on Vibely? Let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.